Hey friends, Tyler here. Wanted to sit down and record this quick overview video of exactly what you can expect when it comes time to actually mint your 3num shield. So our mint is a little bit unique in the sense that it is a two-step mint. It's very similar to if you've ever purchased a Ethereum name like an ENS before, very similar to that. The reason for it is because one step is actually sort of procuring the number that we pull in while the other one is forging it to the blockchain. And so I just wanted to show what that experience is like, just so you know what to expect when it comes time to minting your 3num shield. And then also I wanted to go over a couple of the first use cases that you'll be able to leverage your new Web3 mobile number with as soon as you get it. So let's jump into things real quick. What we're going to do is we're going to start by signing in, and you can see that we support a few different wallets here. Again, we do recommend that you actually mint on a desktop. We specifically recommend that you use MetaMask, and that's going to be the wallet that I sign in with here. Although we do support Wallet Connect as well as Coinbase Wallet. So you're going to see this is actually on testnet. It's going to say staging. This is not what you'll see on the final version, but I'm going to go ahead and sign. And you'll see that I've successfully connected to my MetaMask. So the first step is, again, this is going to be the procurement stage where you're actually going to pay the mint fee, which is 0.08 ETH. This is going to be in testnet, so it will be a little bit slow, but that's okay for the sake of this example. You can see here that I'm going to be transferring from my wallet that I have set up. And this is the wallet that I had on the allow list. So if you're on our guaranteed allow list, or if you make it into the waitlist phase and you're at your chance to mint, this would be the same wallet that you use to be able to join that. So this is going to be a little bit slow again because this is on testnet, but you're seeing here that the system is actually procuring my shield. So this is getting the number that we're taking out of the Web 2 world, and we're going to forge into my new 3num shield as a shielded Web3 mobile number. So you can see the number that I got here. This is done at random, so you may get a number that's kind of unique, and that's a bit of a fun aspect to it. But the next thing that I'm going to do is forge, and this is the second step in the mint process. This is a gas only fee, so there are 2 gas fees that will be a part of this. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm, and it's going to do its thing as testnet does to be able to actually forge my 3num shield. So at this point, you can see, congratulations, you successfulully minted your 3num shield. This is the phone number. You don't actually need to write this down. It'll be totally findable within the 3num application that we'll be accessing shortly after this, as well as your new messaging PFP. So this messaging PFP, just for a reminder for our OG edition shields, this is generated at the point of mint. And this was done by the incredible artist Lisa Chow. So this is completely unique, and this can serve as your messaging PFP in the future. After you do mint, you can go and view the transaction on Etherscan if you'd like, or I'm going to jump right into using my 3num shield. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you'll notice that I actually already have a few messages in here. So if you were coming at this from a first-time user, you would see a welcome message from our team, which sort of explain all the things you can do. So remember, in the very first version, once you're able to mint your 3num shield with this OG edition mint, these numbers are going to be great for 2 things. A limited SMS 2FA, where you'll be able to get 2FA codes securely to your wallet secured number with certain websites. It's not actually going to work everywhere. We are in the process of ensuring that we can make that happen for folks. And then the other thing is that you're going to be able to use these numbers with secure messaging applications like Signal or like Telegram. And the great thing is that these numbers, you don't have to worry about them being SIM swapped because, again, they're controlled by the wallet that you use to mint. So I can make sure that my number's working by clicking on the settings gear here, and I can hit test. And what you'll see is we're going to get a test message that is a awesome Bob Ross quote. And there's a couple things that are important to note about this. This message is in fact coming from a 3num shield. And so that's indicated by the 3num shield PFP, as well as the fact that the message bubbles are purple and there is this little shield here versus green, as you would see on this message. So in the future, when you're using your messaging app with your 3num, secure trusted messages will be coming in via purple and with this little shield icon from a trusted 3num, or green if it's just from a regular SMS number. So this is sort of what you'll experience when you come in for a first time and actually mint your 3num shield. And what's really exciting is that now you have a number that is controlled by your wallet that you can use in those limited SMS situations, because you don't want to be using a normal phone number, as those can be SIM swapped and as a result get broken into, but that can't happen here. The other thing that you'll be able to use these for is they are real phone numbers. And what's really exciting about that is that for phone number based trusted messaging applications like Signal, like Telegram, like WhatsApp, you'll actually be able to use these numbers within those contexts. So as you see here, I was able to go and set up my 3num Shield phone number in Telegram. And what's awesome about that is that those messaging apps, there's two things that's really cool. First of all, if you're using your normal phone number, that's really insecure from the SIM swap problem, because if someone, again, SIM swaps you, they'd be able to take your Telegram account over functionally. And then the other thing is that this is a no-dox, fully pseudonymous number. So the only correlating factor from the phone number to you is the wallet address that purchased it. Currently, if you are using Telegram or you're using Signal with a phone number that's just with your normal cell phone plan, someone can go and they can basically use that as a gateway to find a bunch of information out with you or from you, which is really bad. So that's the other second great use case, is that you can use these pseudonymous no-dox phone numbers in trusted messaging applications like Signal, like Telegram, like WhatsApp. The other thing, if I click home, you're going to see that I have 3num shields. And this is where you'll actually be able to go and you can copy your number over and you can use it in different instances. You don't actually need to write it down at the point of mint. But once you're here, you can go and you can view your messages with your shield. And then in addition to that, you could also view it on Etherscan to see the transaction history. So that's it for now. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what you can expect as you're actually going through the mint process. If you have any questions, you get hung up, there's any issues when you get your 3num shield with utility in any capacity, you can always click this feedback button here, which will allow you to submit either a bug or a UX improvement. You can also message us straight on Discord too, but this is going to be one of the two ways that you can get in contact with us. So I hope this video helps. We're really excited about the opportunity of what you'll be able to do with these OG 3nums, and thank you so much.